I'll demonstrate today how you can make money simply by liking videos. I want you to go to this website first, so do that. Workers are satisfied and promptly reimbursed, as can be seen on their homepage, and most importantly, it just works. Therefore, all we need to do is register, look through these micro jobs, select the one we like, then do it before providing proof. Before we start, subscribe to the channel. To sign up properly, click this button, which should lead you to this page where you must provide all the necessary data. Therefore, input your name and email address, make a password, and then just choose your country of residence from the drop-down menu. You'll see that it's accessible everywhere. After watching this video, you can use this strategy wherever you are right now. Select I'm not a robot and then click Create My Account after agreeing to their terms and conditions. After completing that, they will ask you to validate your email address before activating your account. Simply click the link in the email they sent you by going to your inbox. You can access your account after confirming your email address. Therefore, this is how your new account should appear. By the way, the domain name for this site is rapidworkers.com. On this website, there are simply enormous earning possibilities. In reality, there are several ways to earn money online besides just liking videos, including signing up, visiting websites, downloading apps, following accounts on Twitter, playing games, making Gmail accounts, and more. However, viewing, enjoying, and sharing a YouTube video is the easiest and most lucrative activity there is. Now, as you can see when you browse the page, there are a variety of tasks you can complete. Each task has its details, including the amount of money you can earn per completion, the length of time it will take to complete, whether it is still active or not, work completed, and much more. Watch out for tasks that aren't marked worldwide or associated with nations that you don't come from because that is against the regulations. As I previously stated, we will concentrate on activities that require videos. Therefore, I want you to type YouTube into the search field right here. The jobs might then be arranged according to how much money you could make by finishing them. Simply select the most lucrative task to view the most lucrative tasks displayed first. Let's examine this particular task more closely. It will just take us about 3 minutes to complete and pay 70 cents. And when you consider that one like costs 70 cents, you can easily calculate that 5 likes will cost $3.50, and 100 likes will cost $70. You can examine the complete details on this page by clicking it, which will link us there. Therefore, you can see here how much work has been done, how much money you'll earn, the amount of time needed to finish it, the campaign ID and name, whether it's available globally or only in a particular country, the full instructions, and the proof that will be needed once the task has been completed. Now all you have to do is follow all the instructions to do the assignment, and as soon as you're done you'll get paid. The only drawback, if there is one, to use this website is that you will not make enough money with it, necessitating the need for other side income. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe.